Long ago, in a forest, lived a happy sparrow couple, dreaming of the day their little babies would hatch. One day, a mighty elephant walked proudly through the jungle, with heavy footsteps and a swinging trunk.
Please, sir, stop pulling! Our eggs are in the nest!
Don't be dramatic, it will be fine.
Suddenly, the branch broke. The nest fell. The eggs hit the ground and shattered. The sparrows watched in shock and sorrow. Sparrow cried. Her friends, crows, frogs, flies, came and they made a plan. The crows attacked the elephant's eyes, confusing him. Frog began to croak loudly. The elephant thought, that must be the sound of water. Suddenly, the ground gave way. The elephant slipped and fell into a deep ditch. Dust and leaves flew into the air. At last, the mighty elephant was trapped, shocked by the result of his own actions. Moral: intelligence wins over might.